All right, good morning, everybody. Louis Porcelino, manovermarket.com, and this is the morning call for February 5th. All right, so I've calmed down. Everybody's calmed down, and the world doesn't really care about Greece anymore. So let's get back to the on hand. So yesterday we would have had a higher close. Here we are trading at 2046 half. We've got a high already today of 2047.75, and I'm sorry, yes, and yes, I think I'm ready to throw in the towel. I don't think we're going to make it to 20 at 1961 half. I think that this close up here would have been sufficient, and I'm looking for the market to be rallying. I got an up bias today, so we'll be looking for that. Um, as far as uh, things to be tops to be looking at right here, 2046 half. Okay, we'll go right here, 2049. Okay, double top up here, 2054. These are some targets early this morning, so that's about 1,000 points from where we're at right now. So I will be a buyer of dips today unless they come out and basically say something else. I don't know, but a lot of positive news. Jobless claims, everything coming out this morning was not negative. Bank of England left their interest rates alone. There's that crisis with Anthem Trading, I guess, that's going on, but it's not really affecting us. And so let's take a look at the market. Here's our ES market. Here's a 15-minute chart. Um, so we've got our top of value, 2043, which we're trading above right now. We've got the 2040, which is our point of control. So 2040. And then we've got the low of value at 2033 half. And our bull bear zone is way down here at 2022. 2022. All right. So, like I said, I'll be a buyer of dips today. I think the market's going to break out of that area that we've talked about, and there's not much, not much more to say. I'm basically throwing in the towel for the 1961 half. Not that we're not going to get there sometime this year. We'll get some other crisis. You know, McDonald's French fries will go on strike or something. I don't know. All right. All right. So, all right. And I think the important thing with the Greek issue was that the ECB stood up to the Greeks and said, you're not going to, you're basically going to pay the debt back and we're not going to forgive it, which is what they should be doing. So, way down here, 2037, 5 minute pivot just moved up to 2038 half. So, that's in a bull. All the sisters are in a go. So, I'm in a bull. Don't get crazy and just buy the opening. I would say I'll be the buyer of pullbacks, the buyer of pullbacks. All right. So that's what we'll be looking for in that. Okay. All right. Gold. All right. I think with the stabilization, we're short gold, and we have a down bias in gold, and there's a bull bear zone is way up here at 2073. 2073. I think the market once it gets uh, down. So right here we got the top of value of 2069. We're testing right now 1,264.50 is the point of control, and the bottom of value is 1,262. So you get moves that go in value and then come back out of value. Usually those moves become very strong, one way or the other, but got a negative bias on gold. Negative bias on gold. Okay. Same thing with bonds. We had the knee jerk yesterday. We have our bull bear zone way up here at 150.03. All right. It's now worked its way back inside value. And we got 149.16. Here's the big attractor here, 148.28, which is the point of control. And then 148.24. And when you get moves that go here, start on top of value and move your way through the bottom of value, those become even more intense. And we got a negative bias on bonds. Negative bias on bonds. Okay, that's what we have this morning. If you're short them, I'd be looking to cover them down here, 48.28. Okay. As far as oil is concerned, oil, our good old friend oil. All right. So our bull bear zone is 48.71. We made this move off the top that we back down there. So we've got the bottom of value sitting at, here's a rare thing. You got the point of control up here at 50 and a quarter, and then value low is 51.18, value area high 51.78, and this is the point of control. If you even look at this, you can tell that this is really a knee-jerk reaction. I think oil is going to go back and test at least the bottom of value. We're and use 48.71 as the bull bear zone. So we're bullish on oil in the short term right now. We're bullish on oil in the short term. Okay, just to recap quickly. All right, so we're actually basically trading where we were yesterday when the market got the news about the Greek bonds being worthless and can't use them for collateral. So let me put this back in here so we have it. All right. So, all right. So top of value 2043, point of control 2040. These are all potential targets. But like I said today, follow me on Twitter. I am basically not throwing in the towel, but for the short run right now, I'm throwing in the towel. I think that the market's going to be in an up bias today. All right. All right. And so that's Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market. Remember, you can hit us up on Twitter and follow our trades. And also now announcing, if you're iPhone users, we got podcast, and you can get these on iTunes. Go iTunes, Man Over Market, and you'll get all our videos on that. All right, everybody, have a good day trading, and hopefully there won't be any major surprises except that the market goes up and we all make money on the long side. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.